Can I help you? You want to go see what's in the farm? In the farm? Back here? You still haven't learned that. Let's see what awaits us today. Definitely a cleanup project. Where are we going to start? Let's go with Fluffhead. This is one I did yesterday. It's a candy bowl, but I'm using it to store other things. It'll glow in the dark if you charge it up with a light. And this is one that I still have to get some of the supports pulled off of it. But it's a suspension print with a big, also glow in the dark, in theory, a big creepy spider. And this guy is an old one. This was pretty cool. I just did this. It's like a lamp with I think it's just a lamp or a vase. I like it more as a lamp. I gotta get probably a more permanent light than that, but you can see the different colors through it. I'll probably do another version of this that's like glow in the dark or just regular silk white. But if we do it with this, that's probably going to be much brighter. And what else? That's another one. This is like a garden or yard Halloween decoration. Somewhere around here is the stake for it. There it is. So you can secure it in your grass or flower bed or wherever you want to freak people out. And over here is a few of the others. These are ones I did over the past couple days. This one's pretty cool at night. It's got a spooky face jack-o'-lantern thing, so when it shines on the wall you can see all the let's see if we can need to get some more powerful lights. And I need to turn off this light. There's so many different variants of these LED candle variants. Like this one, you can actually it's got a cover for it that you can secure the candle in, and that's an old one that I did, but first time that I thought to put a candle in it. And of course, Yoda. Yoda's pretty old. This guy turned out pretty cool. My first flexible, it's like a vampire dragon. The first multicolor print. It took about 6 hours. Oh, don't fall. Oh, you stay up there. Alright, so in the Fluff Head Factory, this is... It can be like a succulent planter, or I think you can put LED candles in it. And clean it off and put the plate back in. That's all it takes to I spoke too soon. And then close it up and it's ready for the next one. Let's see what Wilson's Workshop's got for us. This is a should be a glow-in-the-dark lithophane, which, if you shine a light from the inside, it will project something. Just gotta remove some supports. So without removing all of them, let's just see what that looks like. So I got a witch, and I think there's like a face over on this side. It's hard to see it right now, but once it charges up, it'll look a lot better. And let's see, I did a couple different Simpsons ones. Mr. Sparkle. Mound maker, what do we got here? Oh, striped skulls. I actually did not realize I made 2 of these. And the Purge Tower. Yes, Jethro, can I help you? And then I did a second one of these because the first one I got excited and I pulled it off the printer right before it actually got done. So this one actually is complete. But it's Grateful Dead string art. So this is another suspension print where the center of this is held in place by just all these tiny strands of filament. And this one too should glow in the dark. Careful, buddy. Let's see if we can make it dark in here. Somewhere is a UV flashlight. Oh, here we go. Definitely got to charge up that lightning bolt. She definitely glows pretty good. Yeah, that turned out pretty nice. Need more places to hang things now. Let's see what these skull things look like. They're lit up. I've got some cleanup work to do on this, definitely, but you get the picture. These are from a couple days ago. More LED candle holder. Yeah, I think these are pretty cool. Alright, that's it. So let's just get this build plate back in here and figure out what else we're going to print today. Oh, I should show the other Simpsons goodness that I have downstairs. Let's take Mr. Sparkle. This is the first one that I did.
We're seeing right now. Next.
A not so spooky ghost. And another Mr. Sparkle. This one's from a couple of days ago, but I finally got the supports off of it. And this one turned out really cool. And of course, Spider Pig, which definitely is going to go on top of one of these frames because Spider Pig is supposed to be on the ceiling. Yeah, there's so many cool Simpsons things that you can find on there. I think that is it. All right. All right, one time. And then I've got to get work done. Take your time. God. Oh. Try again. You got to make it down one time. Good boy. All right, that's all. We're going to work now. Unless you want to do it one more time. Good one.